Mrs. Pagulong. I'm Valerie Fabio of Nine Silver, and here are my answers to the question. As a student, why do you think you should avoid abusing drugs and using hard drugs? As a student, I believe that there are 10 or more reasons why we should avoid abusing drugs and hard drugs. Number 1. Drugs can affect our mental health and mental stability. Drugs can damage vital organs such as brain, heart, liver, and lungs, and can also cause depression, anxiety, or worse. Number 2 is drug addiction. Ito ay isang bagay na madalas maging sanhi ng pagkawala ng focus pag di nakakainom o nakakapag-take ng drugs. May mga gamot tulad ng steroid, nicotine, at sleeping aid or pills na masama ang epekto pag nasobrahan ng paggamit. Ikatlo is to perform well in school. Ang hindi pagiging dependent sa drugs ay magresulta ng mas magandang resulta sa eskwela, pero ito ay depende na din sa kalusugan ng tao. Ika-4 naman ay ang pag-iwas sa mga illegal na gawain. Ang pagkahalina or pagka-addict sa drugs ay mas masama ang epekto sa pag-iisip dahil upang gumawa ng mga bagay na pagsisisihan sa huli. Ika-5 ay ang pagprotekta ng iyong future dahil alam naman natin na too much is bad for health. Ika-6 ay ang pagkakaroon ng magandang at malinis na reputasyon bilang estudyante, which lead sa pagiging student role model sa school. Ika-7 naman ay to save money dahil buying drugs wastes money that could be used for school materials, personal growth, or future plans. At pang-8 ay to avoid regrets since drugs often lead to mistakes that can cause lifelong guilt or shame. 9 is to maintain moral values. Avoiding drugs help you stay responsible, honest, and self-respecting. And finally, 10 is to live a happy and successful life. Staying drug-free allows you to enjoy life fully and make positive choices for your future. And that's all. Goodbye, Mrs. Pagulong, and thank you for watching.